let's all right, let's look at number 69. Definitely an advanced solving and exponents problem. First time we've been introduced to solving it. So let's take a look. Solve each of the following equations by first expressing each side with the same base. Give exact answers using fractions, not decimals. So let's take a look. Same base. So we've been practicing this same base thing. So we've got an 8 and a 32. So the same base they would have would be 2. And so off to the side, I might even write 2 squared is 4, 8, 16, 32. It's a very good idea to have, the bases of 2, 3, 5, maybe 7, kind of in the back of our head. So we've got the 2's here. So 8 is 2 cubed, so 2 cubed to the x plus 3. And 32 is just 2 to the 5th. So we've got the same base. So now we can kind of do our properties of exponents. If I have a power to a power, I multiply them. So I've got 2 to the 3x plus 9 equals 2 to the 5. And now that both bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal. 3x plus 9 equals 5. 3x equals negative 4. X equals negative 4/3. That would have taken a little bit to guess and check that guy, maybe, but got her good. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So again, off to the side, I'm going to write. Okay, I've got a 27 and a 1/9. We've got to think 3's when we see those numbers. So let's write 3 squared, 3 cubed, 3 to the 4th. So when we see these numbers, we know we're looking at 3's. So 27 is 3 cubed. So it's 3 cubed to the 2x. And now 1/9 is going to be 3 to the negative 2 to the x minus 1. We do our multiplying. 3 to the 6x equals 3 to the negative 2x plus 2. 6x equals negative 2x plus 2. 8x equals 2. And x equals 1/4. All right, one more. Let's take a look. We've got 1 over 25, 1 over 125, so let's think about our 5's. 5 squared and 5 cubed. Good. So I guess if I took one thing away, it's this same base thing. And just writing off to the side, like, what is the 2's, the 3's, the 5's, maybe the 7's, I guess. So 1 over 125 should be 5 to the negative 3 to the 2x minus 3. 1 over 25 is just 5 to the negative 2. Multiply them. 5 to the negative 6x plus 9 equals 5 to the negative 2. Set our exponents equal. Negative 6x plus 9 equals negative 2. Negative 6x equals negative 11. X equals 11/6. Thanks for checking in. Definitely not mastery yet, but I would really like to see, using those exponents and understanding at least the same base part of it. Once you get there, then it's just your properties of exponents. Keep checking back.